David Simpson.
Mr. Speaker, further to the question from the Chair of the Select Committee, the Minister will know that this issue as regards HMRC has been delayed yet again. We understand as a committee there is a marker out there that can do the job, can resolve the issue, save the general taxpayer millions of pounds. Someone somewhere is dragging their heels on this. We need the Minister to intervene and get this resolved quickly.
Mr. Speaker, I will again intervene into this and speak with my colleagues in HMRC. At the last meeting I had, where the Minister of Justice in Northern Ireland was also there, we understood that the marker was imminent. What they are very worried about is introducing a marker which is not as robust as what we need. And at the same time, can I comment about the dangers, not just in financial terms of the money getting into the wrong, but the dangers of the chemicals that are actually coming out into the environment after the markers are being removed in the laundering process is really dangerous to individuals as well as the environment in Northern Ireland.